Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Let's learn about a new interesting business idea in this video. Before knowing the business idea, those watching this video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel so far, subscribe now. Going into details, you all know about plastic rope. Plastic ropes are used in our houses, in agriculture farming, in construction field. Once coconut ropes, jute ropes, cotton and manila ropes were mostly used. But today, with the advent of plastic ropes, people are purchasing these more. Being affordable, durable and comfortable for daily use, they are well received. So, those who are interested in manufacturing this plastic rope, which is in high demand in the market, can start a plastic rope making industry and get self-employment. A plastic rope making machine is required to make plastic rope. There are 3 types of machines available in the market. The price of the machine for making 2 mm to 6 mm size plastic rope is 4 lakh rupees. The price of the machine for making 4 mm to 8 mm size plastic rope is 6 lakh rupees. The price of the machine for making 16 mm to 32 mm size plastic rope is 12,50,000 rupees. Depending on the company, depending on the production capacity, depending on the features, the price of the machine fluctuates. When buying a machine, consider all the factors. And as raw material, virgin or reprocessed plastic granule are required. If you turn on the plastic rope making machine and put these granules in the machine, plastic rope will be made in the size we need and it will come out. The production speed depends on the size of this machine rope. For example, 8 mm size rope can be made by this machine up to 45 kgs per hour. You have to pack the rope made like this and sell it in the market. The sellers of these machines and raw materials are on the website indiamart.com. These ropes are mostly used by farmers, packers and movers, navy and marine department, shipping agencies, construction field. So, ropes selling shops, hardware shops, electrical stores, supermarkets, kirana stores, in all areas should do marketing for them. The income depends on the demand and sales of plastic ropes in the market. Chances of earning good income are high in this industry. That's it friends. Details about plastic rope making industry. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments. Subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye friends. Until we come back to you with another brand new video.